Qwickly is now available for both original and ultra courses. To use Qwickly, click on the Tools tab to the left and then choose the Qwickly Course Tools button in the center of the page to launch the tool. Your first option that you might be familiar with is the Send Email option. You can select All to send to all courses or check the specific courses you want to send an email to. You can also choose whether to send to a specific role, such as only to students, or to everyone in the course. Next, you will want to add a subject line at the top, as well as information in the center text box to provide to your students. Once your message is complete, you will want to remember to click the Send button at the bottom of the page to send your email out to the students in those courses. You will also see that you now have the option to create content, create assignments, and create a calendar event using Qwickly. Feel free to explore these buttons on your own. Then you have the Post Announcement option. You can post an announcement to multiple courses all in one place. Remember to provide a subject line at the top and then provide your message in the center of the page. You can also choose a display after date and time, as well as a display until date and time. You can also check whether to send an email copy. Remember to click Submit when you are done. Lastly, you can check that all of your links are working within your course by clicking on the Check Links option. Select your course and then click Check Links to see which links are working within your courses.